Hey guys, today let's learn how to only me all Facebook posts. So this is going to be pretty easy, guys. All we need to do first is to launch the Facebook application, and once we're done with that, what we need to go ahead and do next is to launch the menu section and then tap on settings. Let's go on over on our activity log, and that's going to be located over here on your activity. Just tap on activity log and then tap on your Facebook activity. Once you're here, let's tap on manage posts, and you can actually go ahead now and select all of your posts and then change the audience of all of them simultaneously. So all we need to do is wait for this to load. Alright, so once this is done loading, we could actually now proceed with choosing these specific posts and then changing the audience of this. So as you would see over here as well, we can't necessarily change the post if we want to go ahead and change it. We could actually just tap on that and then delete the post. But if we want to go ahead and basically view the archive of our posts, what we could actually do is to tap on your posts and photos and videos, and that's going to allow us to select multiple of our posts. So just tap on all these posts, tap on this 3 lines or 3 dots icon, and that's going to allow you to change the audience to only me. Go ahead and just tap on only me to save the changes, and that's all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and take care.